Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our carbon fiber-like upper fairings for the Can-Am Ryker. As you can see, the Can-Am Ryker is screaming for some carbon fiber to pair up with its sinister black satin panels. Well, today we're happy to introduce our replacement upper fairings for the Can-Am Ryker. These body panels are constructed from a durable ABS plastic and feature a carbon fiber-like pattern that looks super sporty once installed. These replacement body panels are sold as a pair and include all new plastic push pins for an OE-style fitment that installs in minutes and will leave everyone else drooling. So to install, simply start by sliding open your fuel door and popping off these 4 push pins. Then lift open your glove box and pop off these other 4 push pins. So you can carefully pull off your stock upper fairings and replace them with your new carbon fiber-like fairings using the new push pins included with your kit. So if adding these stylish carbon fiber-like upper fairings to your Can-Am Ryker is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for your bike. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.